Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and I want to give you an overview of this Taro Roach Bait Gel. Now, hey everybody, I'm cutting into this review, so you'll want to watch the end, but I'm cutting in because I could tell you right now, after a week since that first video that you're getting ready to watch after this ends, this is the game changer of all game changers when it comes to getting rid of these pesky things right here. I kid you not. Literally the first night this product went down, I'm like, what in the heck is going on here? And this thing was doing exactly what they said might take up to 2 days. Oh no. No, we're talking like the big ones, like the big massive ones. The next day, a whole bunch, yes, were found. And I was like, this stuff is working pretty crazy. And since then, we've seen none. I mean, we were averaging at the time that this first recording about one a day somewhere in the house. None. It's a wrap. I can't believe it. This is the greatest thing since sliced bread. Just want to interject that right here. So when you watch the rest of the video, it makes sense. Here's the rest. As somebody that has used other types of things to get rid of, let's keep this politically correct, get rid of these pesky critters. I've used like the little things they gotta crawl in, and then there's like liquid in there, and then they gotta crawl out, and then, you know, I guess it does what it's supposed to do. But I've had some problems. I've had some challenges with those things just not working. So I had to like step it up a notch. I actually talked to some folks that are in the bug industry, and they're like, Ryan, you gotta use the quote unquote bait. I'm like, what you talking about? Like, you gotta use the bait. You're like, put like these little driplets down in secret spots and corners and crevices and cracks where maybe animals can't get to, and then the pesky critters find it, they enjoy it for whatever reason, and then that's it. They have a permanent dirt nap. Let's just keep it that way. So I don't know why I never thought about this, because this was coming from professionals in the industry. They're like, you got to try the bait that they got to eat. So this particular product has the active ingredient that is you can see that. Well, it's right there. It's pronounced parapol, maybe? I don't know. But it's really simple to use. It comes in a tube like this. You crank the top, and then it activates this. You can see when you turn that, this will go up, and then you take the cap off. And when you take the cap off, you got some stuff right there. And all you got to do to get it to come out is just do a little dab, little bitty dab like that. And that's it. Now there's some instructions on here that say, as far as like how many linear feet you should be putting this down. And within an astounding 2 days, it seems like an eternity. Trust me, if you have some, let's just say, issues with the so-called critters and you want to get them rid faster than anything else, and I'm more from the standpoint of, hey, put it down, and if this is going to solve my problem, I'll give it 2 days. I'll give it 2 days for the things to find the thing that turns them into not a moving around thing, if you know what I'm talking about. So I can tell you right now that if you have a problem and you have some things that you don't want wherever you are that look like this, this will do the trick. Again, got to be a little patient with it. Give it a couple days. There are animals in this house that could get to this. So the cool part about this is that it's not in, let's just say, a like quote unquote trap, like the little, you know, trap things that you got to sit in different places and you put them in cupboards and this stuff. The difference between this, because it's this little sticky liquid, is you can like really get it into where the crevices and cracks are, indoor, outdoor, like a garage or whatever it is, and you can strategically put this where it's out of sight, out of mind, and not within reach of, let's just say, young ones or animals or anything that should not be getting to it. That is the benefit of this, and a little bit, as you saw, a very little dab goes a very long way, depending on your situation. So hopefully that answers many of the questions that you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.